Hey everyone, welcome back to ClearTask. If you are trying to post in a Facebook group, but your posts are stuck on pending, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you exactly how to fix this issue quickly and easily. Often, posts get stuck on pending due to a simple app glitch or a caching error on your device. Here is the most effective method to resolve it. If you are using an Android device, go to your phone's settings. Tap on Apps, then find Facebook in the list. Tap on Storage and hit Clear Cache. Open your Facebook app again, and the system glitch should be cleared. If you are using an iPhone, the best way to clear this glitch is by offloading the Facebook app. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, select iPhone Storage. Wait for the list to load, then use the search bar to find and tap on the Facebook app. Now tap on Offload App and confirm your choice. Once the app is offloaded, you will see the option to reinstall app. Tap on it. This clears out the bugged cache while keeping your login data safe. After reinstalling, open Facebook again, and your pending post issue should be fixed. One quick note, if your post is still pending after trying these steps, it is highly likely that the group administrators have set the group rules to require manual approval for all new posts. In that case, the app is working perfectly, and you simply need to wait for an admin to approve your content. I hope this quick tutorial helped you solve your Facebook group issue. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct, and professional tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.